Good morning. Today, I'm going to talk about my strength. If I had to identify one strength that is most relevant to the role I aspire to, it would be my ability to approach problems in a structured and analytical manner while staying adaptable to the changing situations. Coming from a BCom professional accounting background, I have developed a strong foundation in working with numbers, understanding the financial data, and identifying the patterns. This allows me to break down complex problems into a smaller components and approach them logically. However, what truly defines my strength is not just analysis, but how I analyze in dynamic and real world situations. A good example of this was during a case study competition based on a merger scenario. While the team initially focused on general strategic aspects, I took a more finance driven approach, analyzing synergies, cost structures, and financial feasibility of the merger. It helped me structure a solution in value creation and risk evaluation, and not just theoretical strategy. At the same time, I remained open to the inputs from my teammates and adapted our approach by integrating both financial and strategic perspective. This balance helped us pre- uh, give a extraordinary solution and win the competition. This experience helped me combine analytical depth with adaptability and collaboration. Another important dimension of my strength is adaptability in different environments. Having spent time in a different region, particularly in the north, to pursue my MBA, I was exposed to completely new culture and social settings. Initially required effort to adjust, but overall become a diverse experience to adapt my communicative skills to. This experience made me flexible in my approach and consistent in my performance. I learned how to adjust to new environments without losing focus on my goals. A quality that I believe is very important in consulting, where you constantly work with different teams, clients, and industry. Additionally, I focus on connecting numbers with business context. I don't just analyze data, I try to understand what it implies for decision making. I also ensure that my ideas are communicated in a clear and structured manner so that they can be easily understood and acted upon. As Richard Thaler once said, if you have to make someone understand, make it easy. That is what my approach to analyze any problem would be. I bring adaptability across different environments and perspectives, and I'm being flexible in approach while consistent in performance and clear structured communication. I believe this combination makes me well suited for roles in consulting, finance, and strategies, whether where both analytical depth and